Hi friends, welcome back to Best of Tech. This is ZEBRONICS. In today's video, we are going to review this keyboard from ZEBRONICS. So let's get started. Let's go with the unboxing of the product. The name of the keyboard which I am reviewing today is ZEBRONICS Gaming Keyboard Work. So this is the unboxing experience. And if you're talking about the features of the product now, it has 12 integrated mass media keys. It has a 1.8 meters of braided cable. It has 2-step stand in it to adjust the height of the keyboard. And it also has a rupees key in it. This has a USB interface completely. It has RGB colors like multi-light LED colors. It has totally 104 keys in it. It has 19 anti-ghosting keys. It has a gold-plated USB port. And it has laser keys. And the color I'm having with me is the black color. So guys, I ordered it through Blinkit and it costed me around 8.99 or 6.99 rupees. I'll leave it here as you can see. So if we're talking about the review of the product, I have been using this from a long time. It's been approximately for like 4 to 5 months and I'm completely happy with the product. The build quality, design, everything is fabulous. But I just felt that it can be the other keys instead of this one, because it has this is not a mechanical keyboard. This is just a normal keyboard which the normal keys are there. It's like the normal membrane one, not the mechanical one. So it is the normal membrane one, but not the mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard is way better compared to the membrane keyboard. The typing feedback, everything is compared to the membrane one. This is better. Mechanical is better. So this could be a mechanical keyboard, but then for 6.99 or 8.99 rupees, this is more than enough, to be honest.